Hello, my name is Matt Tarolli. I'm the coordinator of adult programs here at OCM BOCES, and I want to thank you for joining us for our virtual open house. Today I'll be telling you a little bit more about our full-time training programs, but we also offer ESOL and high school equivalency programs and over 120 part-time programs that you can learn more about from our catalog either online or that are mailed 3 times a year. I'll now take a minute to show you a quick video that outlines all of our full-time programs, and throughout I'll tell you a little bit more about the approximate length and some of the credentials that students earn while here. We are located at 110 Elwood Davis Road near the Thruway 81 interchange. We have ample parking, and we correspond with 2 different bus routes that correspond with our start and end times each day. All of our full-time programs are housed here at our main campus except for our evening welding class, which is located at our Thompson Road location. Again, throughout the video I'll tell you a little bit more about each program, and if you're interested in visiting, you can schedule a tour to come see it in person. Our cosmetology program is a 1,000-hour program, approximately 10 months. After completion of the program, students qualify to sit for a state licensing exam. We have also been approved to open our salon back up as a clinic where our students are allowed to practice on the public. Our sterile processing technician program is a 6-month program that allows students to sit for a national certification that is needed to work in the sterile processing industry in a variety of different healthcare facilities. Our dental assisting program is a 9-month program that allows students to sit for a state licensing exam. Students learn a variety of different hands-on and theoretical work throughout the program. Our practical nursing program is an 11-month program. Students earn the right to sit for a state licensing exam, and students are exposed to a variety of different clinical lab, theoretical, and off-site practice. Our medical assisting class is a 6-month program that leads to a national certification that allows students to be a practicing medical assistant. Our office technology program has a variety of different majors to choose from. The 2 most popular are medical billing and bookkeeping and accounting. Students are trained in a variety of different computer-based software programs that allow them to enter the workforce immediately. On the trade side, our automotive technology program is currently being offered as a part-time class at night, and it is no longer being offered as a full-time training program. However, the part-time class does prepare students to enter the workforce as entry-level technicians. Our construction technology program trains students in a variety of different skills and micro-credentials that allow students to enter the construction industry immediately. Our electrical maintenance tech program is a 6-month program with a variety of different micro-credentials embedded. Students are prepared to enter either the electrical union or several different industries related to electrical maintenance. Our heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration technician program prepares students to pass a national certification called the EPA 608, and students can enter the HVAC world immediately. And lastly, our welder fitter program is a 6-month program that prepares students to pass the American Welding Society qualification qualifying them to enter the workforce immediately as a welder fitter. Throughout the slideshow, I'll tell you a little bit more about admissions and financial aid, and I'll also tell you a little bit more about what we offer here at our campus. Right now, job placement rates are between 80 to 100% across the board in all of our full-time training programs. Our students are actively sought out by employers throughout Central New York. This gives you a quick look at what our labs look like. And again, I encourage you to schedule a visit if you'd like to see more or meet an instructor. As I mentioned before, all of our trades programs are housed here at our main campus on Elwood Davis Road. We also offer our welder fitter class at night at our Thompson Road location. Our health occupations programs, again, are housed here at our main campus. And our 6-month programs typically start in late August or early September, and then again in February. Our 1-year or 9-month programs typically start in late August or early September. And you can see our programs are simply a lot less time and money than a full-time 2- or 4-year college degree. The video gave you a quick look at our hands-on learning labs, and there remains a massive labor shortage in the trades and medical fields. And again, employers actively seek our students here at our main campus. Throughout the video, I also told you a little bit more about our industry-specific certifications. And if you have further questions about those expectations, please feel free to reach out to myself or an instructor. While you're here, we do have a staffed resource room, and we work with students on resume and job application assistance. We also offer job fair opportunities, and all of our students are required to complete job shadows and an internship, except for cosmetology and practical nursing. And that means students actually have to go and work in the field in order to complete our programs. Business and industry presentations take place on-site, off-site, and virtually at this time. Here is a quick look at our admissions procedures. The first step is to complete and return an individual student record form. It's a one-page information sheet that allows you to get into our listserv, and once that form is received, you'll be contacted via email to schedule time to take our test of adult basic education, which is a short 1-hour assessment of math computations and basic reading comprehension. Upon successfully completing the TABE assessment, you'll be directed to file for a FAFSA, which stands for the Free Application for Federal Student Aid. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a few slides. And once a prospective student has completed the one-page information sheet, has come in to successfully take the TABE assessment and file the FAFSA, you're scheduled for a personalized meeting with our financial aid team, and they'll help guide you through those steps to finance your enrollment. And at that meeting, you are officially enrolled in the program. This is a quick snapshot of our website. All the documents I mentioned before can be found here and downloaded and completed. Our ISRF form is there. We also offer a TABE preparation guide to help you prepare for the TABE. And we also have some tips for filing for the FAFSA. If you're interested in practical nursing, the steps are a little different. Upon successful completion of the ISRF and FAFSA, you'll be directed via email to schedule a time to take the TEAS assessment. That is a different assessment than the TABE. And upon successfully completing the TEAS assessment, you'll be directed to complete an application, essay, professional references, and an interview. Upon successful completion of those steps, you'll then be scheduled a time with our financial aid team. And again, it's at that point you're officially enrolled in the practical nursing program. As I mentioned before, the TABE assessment is a 1-hour assessment. We offer that on Tuesdays and Thursdays. That is by appointment only. It is free of charge. And if you'd like more information about our preparation guide, please let us know. To finance your training, all of our full-time training programs qualify for federal financial aid, the free application of federal student aid. Based on your financial need, you may qualify for Pell Grants, which you do not pay back, and Stafford loans, which you would. If you have questions about the FAFSA, or if you need any assistance, you can contact our financial aid team at any time. We work with a variety of community partners that support our students prior, during, and after enrollment. If you think you might qualify, or if you are working with any of these community partners, it's strongly encouraged that you let our financial aid team at that meeting know that you may be working with one of these agencies. And again, I want to thank you for joining us today. If you have questions or you'd like to schedule a visit, please contact us. All our contact information can be found on our website. And again, there are downloadable documents that can help guide you through admissions. We want to thank you for joining us today, and we hope to see you soon.